We're here. Sunart Wildcat Rally. What a great run we had. I want to check this out. It's fucking dynamite. Right?
I'm here.
Oh, Jenny, what's this?
Beautiful, isn't it?
No! He?
Yeah, Bobby.
I'll give you a hug.
So this is what we do. Come to the Strontian, have beers, and we'll go to the pub for food. Like in...
That's it, paint me like one of your French girls will.
Don't forget to subscribe to Yoda Goat.
Yes. And big pizza so you can touch your children. Big pizza! Oh, my back just cracked. It felt fucking amazing. Is that because of Big Tim? No. Say no. What is it? You want to be a stripper? No, not doing it. You have to. No. We do this. We have beers. We have drinks.
This is me, 7 drinks in.
Only 7. Hello. This is the artist for tomorrow. Fair enough.
My face looks very red. As you can see, everyone's enjoying themselves.
Hi, Pez. We have late nights. Oh, wait, no. So I managed to accidentally knock the camera onto slow motion mode. So rather than seeing a video of me explaining how the rally works, you're going to have to look at these admittedly suspect clips while I just talk you through it. So on the Friday night, we go to the pub, which is the Strontian Hotel. They do food and stuff, and have beers at the crack. On the Saturday, we do a treasure hunt for people who want to do it, or people just do their own thing. A lot of people go for ride outs and stuff. And then in the evening, we went to Cafe Sunart, where Jodie and Debbie fed us and Debbie's team did a great job. And we have our charity auction and the raffle. So this year we were raising for Spinal Injury Scotland. Last year it was the air ambulance. So next year it'll be the air ambulance again, Scotland's charity air ambulance. But this year was Spinal Injury Scotland. So yeah, we have an auction. People donate loads of stuff, and the punters at the rally are really good. People really dug deep, and we raised a lot of money. It was. We thought it was $7,000, but it was well over £7,000. I'll do a proper announcement video soon. Yeah, so it was great crack at Cafe Sunart, and then the face paints come out, and it's carnage. It's really, really good. We usually stay an extra day on the Sunday, so we took a run down to the pizza place, and then we were meant to do a run, the pizza place, sorry, Ardgour Ales. We're supposed to go down to round to past the Ardgour estate, but I forgot my drone at the Ardgour Brewery, so I had to go back for that. Chilled out Sunday evening, and then we go home. So that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. And we'll have another video about the rally, showing exactly how much we've raised, and we'll thank everybody who sponsors us and stuff like that. Right, I'll catch you next time. Hi, so thanks for watching, hit subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!